Rishiri Konbu, grown along the northern point of Hokkaido, is considered to have the finest flavor and make the clearest dashi of all types of konbu. It is sweet, a little saltier than the others, and quite hard. The hard leaves prevent it from discoloration or deterioration when simmered. It has dark brown leaves, is relatively thin and slightly wedge-shaped near the stem. Rishiri Konbu dashi is rich, savory, and clear and is traditionally favored by the Japanese master chefs of Grand Kyoto Kaiseki cuisine. Raso Konbu is highly prized and only grown in a very small area on the westernmost tip of Hokkaido's main island. Due to the limited production, it is sometimes unavailable for 2 or 3 months each year. The leaves are very wide and around 3 meters long. It is fragrant and soft, producing a unique rich-tasting dashi. It is subdivided by color into kurokuchi, black, and akakuchi, dark red, and the soft leaves impart a characteristically greenish-brown, or reddish-brown color to the dashi. Raso konbu is mainly used to make dashi, although it can also be processed into kombucha, konbu tea. Ma konbu, produced in southern Hokkaido, is the most widely harvested, most versatile and therefore, the most commonly used of all the high-quality konbu. Possessing light brown, thick wide leaves, ma konbu has a refined sweetness, and produces a flavorsome clear dashi. It is also good for further cooking and eating. Hidaka konbu, another good all-rounder for both making dashi and eating, as it softens quickly when simmered. It is blackish-green in color, longer and thinner than other konbu and produces a light greenish-yellow dashi. Because its edges are not as ruffled as the others, it is often used for rolling or wrapping foods. Kushiro, or Naga konbu, is the longest and thinnest of all these premium konbu. Its leaves can grow up to 7 meters long, and are grayish-black in color. It makes a bright, clear, robust-tasting dashi, and its semi-soft leaves are well suited to longer cooking or braising. At Cook Tokyo, we only stock premium-grade konbu, harvested in the 2nd or 3rd year of growth. Please view the items in our Cook Tokyo shop for a more detailed explanation of each individual product.